I actually like that. Race car.
Come on, wait in fucking Scotland like that, Chris.
I hope you enjoyed that little montage of Caddy Campers New Quay, Wales. That was the first Caddy Campers of 2025. Still to come, we've got Peak District, Caddy Campers in the Peak District. We're going back again. This was the first location that we did Caddy Campers. There was only 3 or 4 of us at the first one, and now we're going back and we predict it's going to be a much bigger turnout, even bigger than the Caddy Campers that you've just seen on today's video, just purely because the Peak District's location is very central in the UK. So I predict that there's going to be a lot more people coming to this one. I have released a whole video. I'll put a little card somewhere on the screen now if you want some more information about Caddy Campers in general or Peak District, what to expect, what the campsite is, how much it's going to be per night, etc. So the main details you need to know for the next Caddy Campers is it's the 3rd of July. It's £10 per person per night, Thursday to Sunday. Even if you came Friday to Sunday, I think you'll still have a great time. The reason why we've done Thursday to Sunday is just travel. Some people come from Scotland, some people come from Cornwall. Myself, I come from the Isle of Wight, so there's a lot of miles to cover in such a short amount of time. So we thought, let's do Thursday to Sunday. Makes perfect sense, and honestly, you will not regret it. Honestly, it's just the perfect amount of time. In these little montage videos, this is only like a snippet of what actually happens at Caddy Campers. It's just to give you an idea of what to expect. Now, there's a lot of stuff that got left out, and also I've made separate videos. So you did see a few snippets of myself and a couple of other judges going around and testing people's tailgates and things like that for the award ceremony that we do. Now, if you wanted to see the full video of us going around and judging everybody's caddy, then stick around until the end of this video. I'll leave a link where you can click on that. And also there's a separate video for Wheels for Wales 2025 that we went to on the Sunday. Great day. I thought it deserves its own little video, and you might spot yourself in the video if you came to that event. So depending on when you're watching this, we still have Caddy Campers Peak District still to come. Like I said, on the 3rd of July, we're getting ready for it. We've got to print out some more stickers, get some t-shirts and other prizes ready, because at Caddy Campers we do like the award ceremony, you know, best tailgate, people's choice. Oh, they must have found my mixtape. If you are thinking of coming to Caddy Campers at the Peak District this year, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll link you to our private Facebook group, and you can find out even more details and link up with other people that are maybe coming from your area, so you can convoy down to the campsite. Anyway, that's all I'm gonna say. Appreciate you watching this video. Here's the videos now on the screen. So we've got Wheels for Wales show, separate video, and the judging. We just thought this was too funny to not put out there in the universe. So have a little watch. I appreciate you watching this video, and I'll see you hopefully at Caddy Campers very, very soon.